K is a great website to discuss happenings and SHTF. But before I continue, I must preface this message with the following. ATF, please go. Now we can discuss how we can use K to prepare for the coming happening. Here is some advice for when the happening happens. 1. Buy a moist nugget and a crate of nugget food. The motherland needs you. 2. Ditch your Glocknet for glorious technology. 3. M14 is best rifle. M14 is love. M14 is life. 4. All hail the murder cube. Avenex Aliyah. 5. Paul, please go back to your containment board. Follow your leader. 6. Cheeky bricky comrade. Get out of here, stalker. 7. Throw out your boutique AR-15. It will jam like they always do. 8. Throw out your poor fuck AKM clone. You're not going to hit anything with 5 MOA. 9. Shoot all mall ninjas and geared queers on sight. 10. Around forts there will be blood. 11. Remove kebab from the premises. Now that you are informed, you're ready to grab your SKS and go inner woods. Get out of here, stalker.